Yes, I heard about the incident in Jenin today where Israel Defense Forces shot warning shots, but still shots at a group of diplomats approaching the refugee camp within the visit organized by the Palestinian Authority. We definitely call on Israel to investigate this incident and also hold these accountable who are responsible for this, and any threats on diplomats' lives are unacceptable. As Israel is also a signatory to Vienna Convention, has the right, the obligation to guarantee the security of all foreign diplomats. So I think this is important. What comes to your other question regarding the misinformation, it is true that we have the fight of narratives everywhere, and this misinformation is one of the tools that Russia is using, especially in Africa. We have to fight the misinformation and foreign malign influence all the time, but it is, of course, increasingly hard. We have developed tools, but it is hard because we are living in this information age. I always like to use the quote from Winston Churchill, which was made after the Second World War, where he said that, lies halfway across the world before the truth gets its pants on. And now we are living in the information age where it's very hard to fight the lies because they are traveling so fast and expanding so fast. But saying that, it doesn't mean that we have to give up. We still have to counter the narratives and fight the misinformation. And it was addressed today also. It was raised by several actors that this is a real problem. Thank you.